So, hello everyone, and welcome to DC's Universe, your one-stop shop for all news related to DC. And today, what a surprise gift from Warner Bros. It's actually not the Boxing Day. Actually, it's 27th in India, but according to American Standard Time, it can be a Boxing Day. That is 26th of December. So I think that's a return gift time for all the studios. So now Warner Bros. Has released their most awaited March 2022 release, the Batman trailer, and this is the second or third trailer maybe, and they have named the trailer as the Cat and Bat. So we will definitely go and do the reaction. It's already 1 a.m. in India now, but we are so much excited for this movie, very hyped, and that's the reason we will now react to this trailer. And before any further ado, I would like to introduce our co-founder of the channel, Srirup Shaha, and over to you, Srirup. Please share your thoughts, and then we will go to the reaction.
Oh my god. I mean, to be honest, guys, first I did not knew that it was coming. And then after Shovik told me, I just went and saw it. And my mind was in I cannot express you guys. My mind was in another level. And I was so excited for this that now it's 1 a.m. Okay. And we are so excited for this that we are doing the reaction now only. Oh man, this is so great.
And actually, you can see it from my teacher also that we are not out of Spider-Man No Way Home hype or craze. What you say? We are also CBM lovers, so we watch both the movies. If there are good CBMs, comic book movies, then we will definitely watch it. So that's the reason. And another thing is that for some of the reasons, I was not aware of the trailer coming out today, and that is the reason that I choose not to react today, because when I found out that the trailer was there out there, I just thought it was just something behind the background scene like that. But then when I clicked to it and I found out the trailer and I just watched it for 2.5 minutes, then I was blown away. And then I called Srirup, and then this is what happening. So without further ado, we will go to a trailer reaction. So
Yeah, absolutely. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go, babies.
Ooh, what a
Bruce
Batman.
Wayne,
Sorry.
I wouldn't be bothering you here, but your people keep telling me you're unavailable. You know, you really should be doing more for this city. Your family has a history of philanthropy, but as far as I can tell, you're not doing anything.
Penguin.
My.
That Batmobile is super strong, man. Super strong. And as a Bruce Wayne, his hairstyle looks
Riddler
fantastic.
is asking for you.
Riddler.
The killer left this for the Batman. Why is he writing to you?
You came. I've been trying to reach you.
Riddler's latest. It's all
He
about
just
the
looked
Waynes.
perfect in that.
If we don't stand up, no one will.
Selena
Yeah,
Kyle,
like
Bruce
cats.
Wayne.
I have a thing about strays. The bat
That's
and
a
the
nice
cat.
beauty joke. Bat and the cat.
It's got a nice ring.
A new friend of yours?
I'm not so sure.
It's heating up, babies.
I'm just here to unmask the truth about this cesspool we call a city.
Gotham.
You're part of
The
this
background
too.
music. Ding, 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 ding,
How am I
ding,
part of this?
ding, ding, ding,
Oh,
ding.
you're really not as smart as I thought you were.
Oh my god.
Bruce
Bruce
Wayne.
Wayne. He's absolutely looking awesome
These
as
years
both Batman and also
lied
as
to me,
Bruce Wayne.
Alfred. We all have our scars, Bruce.
He's still away.
He's involved in this?
No, he's not involved.
How do you know?
No way.
He's a vigilante.
Who are you
No
over
way.
there? What are you hiding?
Oh my
Selena, don't
god.
throw your life away.
Don't worry, honey. I got 9 of them.
That's actually just had before she got the original suit.
Poetic or blind, but when
That's a
it's
self-made
denied, it's your violence you may find.
Ooh,
Justice. The answer's justice.
justice.
Come on, vengeance.
Yeah. Ooh,
Let's get into some trouble.
that's a GoPro shot. Yeah, what a landing, man. Batman. Freaking awesome. Just
Yeah.
freaking, I just can't express my gratitude because the trailer, shot by shot, we have already seen such shot. It is also, a few shots are also repetitive, but the way they have been shot in a different angle, the way they have shot in the grandeur, that's very unique and just fantastic. And especially that shot where he is wearing the camera on the GoPro here,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then he's doing the cliff, and the camera is also going with him. So that's just fantastic cinematography. And then there is another shot where he's coming down, breaking the railings and everything, and then just land on his hood like that and having a pose there,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
gets up and then start fighting. That's matlab, actually we are from India, so definitely there will be Hindi also. The Hindi version is also coming out, but we will watch the movie only in English because we just want to experience the movie in the actual language, the original way.
With the original voice, you know, the voiceover. I mean, it is one of the great impact of English movies that the voice also plays a great role, which does not
The
play a
dialogue.
great role
The dialogues.
after it is translated. So yeah, we'll go and see it in English, and we'll probably go and see it in Hindi also for our Hindi friends, you know.
But basically, the dialogue deliveries, the effect of the dialogue, like the cat and bat, and then I have more 9 lives to live, and Bruce Wayne, that weight of the dialogue, those parts were very interesting, and
Yeah,
we have to see how
absolutely.
dubbing should be done, and it should be done very by very experienced person, or otherwise it will not sound good. So, anyways, this was our trailer, and we were just awestruck by the trailer. And I just want to say thank you to Shriru for attending this call and doing this reaction now. And I would like him to end this video after sharing his thoughts.
Yeah, no, it is not a problem, Shovik. I'm always there for you and this channel for you guys. And to be honest, I'm really hyped up right now. Okay, so yeah, we'll go and we'll see it. I will not,
And this is
give any
also
spoilers
one.
because we can understand few things from this trailer, but I'll not share those things. I'll just say that there was a point when I felt that this was amazing. This was amazing cinematography, and that point was when the shot came of a person, covered with tapes on his face, written that
Remember,
yeah, no more lies. So it's so good. It's so good to see few shots like that. No, it how can I express it? It gets into you. It gets into you in your head,
and
and
one
you think about it, and it's so good. Yeah, Shovik.
yeah, sorry to interrupt, but one more thing is there that there was a scene that where the light was there, Batman was searching something or doing his researches, and he was using purple light. Actually, when the shot was done with Riddler, there was green light.
Green,
Sorry,
yeah.
but then when he comes, there was purple light. So I think there was some hint to Joker because we all know that what
Yeah.
purple means to DC Universe and mainly to Batman continuity. So it's a possibility that Joker can be there also in the scene background, everything, because we have not seen the face of Riddler still yet. It was not revealed. So anything can possible. And we have already known that actor Barry Coleman, who has played a role in Eternal, he is already being casted for an unknown role in the movie, and he's being rumored to be Joker. So anything can happen. And I just personally want to say the way the jaw lining of Robert Pattinson is looking in suit, it's just fantastic. It's just it looks like he's just
I must say that it is appropriate.
yeah, that's perfect. And also Selena Kyle and Joey Kravitz as Cat, she also looking very fantastic.
I should say this, I should give her the credit because Batman has taken the show to another level for sure. But beside that, she is doing a great job to keep it with herself and the audience. It's great to see her doing that level of acting, and I must thank the producers who casted this. So yeah, great.
Yeah, and the way she's wearing those wigs, orange hair and then different hairstyles, and then that monkey head with the eyes open only. So two tail hair, like cat, not tail, sorry, with those two, what we will call that, ears, cat ears.
cat
So,
ears.
so like that. So it's fantastic, and this is actually a trailer, more of a glimpse, so of the movie, where we got the more of the shots and the grandeur of the movie. So we are hyped, and we're definitely looking for the more updates we are getting from that, and we are not very much away from the release of the movie, 4th March 2022. And it is also announced today that it will be on HBO Max from April 12th.
Yeah.
So 4 days after my birthday. So we will definitely watch it again on HBO Max after we go to watch it on theater. So definitely, guys, because it is coming on HBO Max, I am requesting you guys, don't wait for HBO Max. Just go and watch this thing on the grand theater, like in a vast experience. Because
I mean, you
this
should
kind of
not miss those types of action in, without going to the movie theaters, and also book your tickets now. Not now. I mean, when the
when it is
advance date will come. Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you, guys, and thank you for subscribing. We have already seen that our video are now getting good responses without any promotions in the current situation. We are a little bit busy right now, so we can't produce all the stuffs. But whenever there are stuffs like this, Man of Steel and regarding Batman, we were definitely there, because we are like crazy fans of this franchises IPs. So without further ado, we would like to thank you, and please comment on the comment section down below, and like, share, and subscribe the channel.
And also, thank you, Warner Brothers, for allowing us to react to this video. You're so kind.
So until next time, hashtag DC
forever.
forever.
Yeah.